my name's Nicole, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new offset feature in Cricut Design Space. Let's get on to the laptop and I will show you how to make a project.
Okay, so here is a preview of the project that I'm making today. This is the offset feature that is new here, the background on spring. If I take this top text away, you can see how it outlined it. So I will show you how to do that today. So first let me get my text in here. For the hello, I used a font called Magical Feather from DaFont. Oops. Magical. There we go. So I'm just going to ungroup these and move them closer together here. Oops. There we go. And then weld it. And then type in spring. And for spring, I used a font called Cambria, also from DaFont. Okay, so I'll change the colors here to the color of the vinyl I'm using today. Yellow. Okay, so I want to offset this spring here. So I'm going to go up to the offset button, which is located right here on the top left-hand corner. And I'm going to click it. Right now it's set to 0.075 inches. You can see where it has the blue lines on the outside of the yellow. That's where the offset's going to be. I can make this as big as I would like to go. Just have to drag it or enter the number you would like. You can also do negative where it goes inside the letters as well. But today I'm going to just stick with 0.75 and hit apply. Okay, so it automatically defaults to black, and I want to turn that pink. So what I'm going to do is just hide this text right here, and then go up here and select pink, and then unhide it. Now I'm just going to duplicate this sun. I got it from Cricut Design Space images here. So I'll just bring this over, make it a little bit bigger. And what's great about offset is it doesn't have to be just text. You can do it with images too. So if I wanted to offset this sun, I could just go up here and hit offset, and it would do the same thing here.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but for new craft videos every Tuesday and Friday, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.
But I'm going to go ahead and take that off. So that's the offset feature. It's a really amazing feature that they just added. I think it's really amazing. I'm going to go ahead and cut this project out, and I will show you how I make it.
Okay, so I have my design all cut out. I've got the pink done and then the yellow, so I'm going to go ahead and press them now. I'm going to be pressing the pink one first. So I already pressed my shirt to get any wrinkles or moisture out. So now I'm going to line it up on here. And then go ahead and press it. I'm going to be pressing at 310 for just 5 seconds since I'm going to be layering this. Okay. Alright, and then I will be adding the yellow right on top. Get it centered up there with the offset. teflon sheets coming off here. Just cooled off here. Okay, so here we go. I'll go ahead and post a picture as well so you can see it a little bit better, but that's the new Cricut offset feature. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.